Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix the disk write is protected in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our File Explorer and then look for our USB drive. Now, if we try this and we try to format it, this is what it looks like. So as you can see that the disk is write protected. So to fix it, what we're going to do is to close all of this, and then we're going to type CMD on our search bar and then run it as administrator. After that, type disk part and then click on enter. Once you do that, we're going to type list space disk and then click on enter once again. And then after that, we're going to look for our drive based on our drive size. So we're going to look for this. As you can see, it is 600 MB. So in this part, we're going to look for a disk that is 600 MB also. So this is the one. So we're going to type select disk, then of course your disk number. So we're going to type 1 and then click on enter. After that, once the disk is selected, what we're going to type here is attribute disk and then click on enter. And then after that, what we're going to do next, if you see that it is read only and then it is set to yes, we're going to type attribute space disk space clear space read only and then click on enter. And then after that, just type attribute disk again and then see if the read only is now set to no. So once it is set to no, what we're going to do is to just restart our PC by going here and then clicking the restart button. After that, once it is restarted, once you format your USB drive, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.